got is up, trappers. Check it out. We have Raylyn Klein with us. And see what she's got, guys? Ooh, she's got the air ride box to the switches. Guess what she's learning how to do today? She's learning to hit switches. So she's going to give us a demonstration of the air ride a little bit today and show you what she has learned. So we're going to get this camera flipped around and we're going to show you what she's learned. All right, guys, we are back. This is Ray. She's going to show you what she learned today. What did you learn today, Raylyn?
This one, we can go only 6 meters, and this can go down. Do you want to hear it? And it goes up and down. Make sure it doesn't go to 100, or when you go to 5150, it'll like kind of explode. That's why you only put it to 60. And this one makes it go down. It makes it to 0. And you do this up, it makes it fill up. And here is the left one. We are going to see what does it do. It makes it fill down. And when we fill it up, it kind of does the same thing. This one is the other one. And it can go down and up. Just make sure it doesn't go all the way up. And this one will be really tricky. Okay, guys?
All right, trappers, that is what we did today. That's what Raylyn learned. She learned to hit some switches. We had fun. I think she had fun. I hope you guys had as much fun as we did. What do we tell them, Raylyn?
Keep on trapping.
Great job, kid. Keep on trapping. That's right. We will see you guys in the next clip. Stay tuned.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.